Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download NYT Games or New York Times Games application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now enter NYT Games in the search box and search. The New York Times Games is a suite of daily online games published by the New York Times. In the platform, the games are created by a team of game developers and journalists at the Times and are designed to be challenging and engaging. Simply go ahead and tap on the Get button in order to download the NYT games. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button and open the NYT Games application. Now you can go ahead and play without an account or create a new account and get started. With New York Times Games, you can go ahead and play most popular NYT games that includes Spelling Bee, Wordle, Connections, Tiles, Sudoku, and much more. So that is how you can easily download NYT games on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.